guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited to show you this look because I am using the new ColourPop Going Coconuts palette. And today was my first time using it and I absolutely fell in love with it because it is perfect. I feel like if you like warm tones, you're gonna like this palette, and if you like cool tones, you're gonna like this palette as well because it's the perfect balance of the two. It's not too warm, it's not too cool. I feel like this eyeshadow is gonna go with everything because it's just right there in that sweet spot, like right in the middle. So if you guys wanna get this look, then just keep watching. So here it is, the Going Coconuts ColourPop palette. And here are all the colors. I feel like the camera is just washing out all the colors. It looks so pretty in person. So I'm gonna go in with Col-Lab. So what I like to do is I like to bring the eyeshadow in, like right underneath my brow. And I like to bring it out close to the tail of my brow. This is my transition color. Ooh, it's so pretty. Now I'm gonna go in with this really beautiful bone color called Shredded. And I'm just going to put that right underneath the brow bone. You know, I stopped highlighting my brow bone a while ago. I don't know why I stopped, I just would forget. But I've been doing it again lately because it lifts your brow bone. So it gives that really nice lift to the eye. Now I'm gonna go in with the color Nutty. Ooh, this is pigmented, okay. So I'm starting off on the outer corner and I'm going to bring it down onto the lid. And then I'm going to slowly drag it into the crease. Now I'm just gonna wet my brush with a little bit of fixing spray and I'm gonna go in with the color De Coco. Actually, I'm gonna pick it up with my finger. And then I'm just gonna go right onto the lid. It is so pretty. And then I'll just go in with my brush to do all the details. This color is beautiful. I love this shade. I don't think I have anything like this. Okay, just to give it a little brightness down the center of my eye, I'm gonna go with Cocoa Rush. And I'm just going to lightly press it on the center of my lid. This is gonna give me a little bit more shine right here. I'm just doing it very lightly because I don't want it to change the color of the lid because I think it's so pretty. Now I'm going to go in with Palm Reader. I'm just going to put that right here in the tear duct. Just to brighten it up a little bit. Now I'm going to go in with this product by Huda Beauty. And this is her eyeliner. It is a dual-ended eyeliner. You get a pencil on one side and then you get a liquid on the other side. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the liquid today. And it has a little brush, which is perfect. I really like the brush on this. It makes it really easy to get a really nice crisp line. You can make it super thin, you can make it super thick. It's really easy to control. The only thing is that I feel like it's gonna run out very quickly because it feels like there's not a lot of product in there, which I don't really like. I hope that she comes out with one just the eyeliner itself or like separated because I use the liquid eyeliner way more than I use the pencil. I'm going to use a little bit of the pencil side right here in the inner tear duct. I'm going to go ahead and apply these Batty Bee lashes in Saucy. And then I'm going to put on my concealer and I will be right back. I'm just going to do what I did in the crease. same thing underneath the eye. I'm going to go in with Col-Lab and smoke it out. And then I'm going to go in with Nude, closer to the root of the lower lashes. So first I'm focusing the color right at the roots, but then I'm going to slightly blend it downward as well to smoke out the color and to blend it. When I bought the Going Coconuts palette online, it was in a set with 2 eyeliners on ColourPop. They created this little set, this bundle. So I'm going to use the nude one. This one is Honey Dude, and I'm going to put this in my waterline. Now I'm going to go in with the bronzer. This one is in Coconut Beach. Ooh. Okay, ooh, pretty color. Right off the bat, just first impressions, I love this bronzer. It's not too orange, it's not too gray. It has the right amount of warmth to it without looking super orange. Beautiful. Now I'm just gonna set my face with my Morphe Setting Mist. Okay, to finish my eyes, I'm gonna put mascara on the lower lashes. Okay, so now I'm gonna line my lips with this LA Girl lip liner in the color Cafe. And then I'm gonna top it off with this Col-Lab liquid lipstick in I'm Nude here. These together are a match made in heaven. They are a perfect match. And that is it, that completes the look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. And if you did, don't forget to subscribe and like and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified every single time I upload a video. As always, thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today, and I hope to see you in the next one.